To create a Venmo account for business, start by downloading the Venmo app or accessing the Venmo website. Once you have the app or website open, tap or click on Sign Up and select the option to create a business profile. You will be asked to provide your business name, email address, and password. Next, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent by Venmo. After verifying your email address, you will be prompted to provide additional business information, including your business type, address, and phone number. You will also need to link a bank account to your Venmo business profile. This can be done by selecting your bank from the list of available banks or by manually entering your bank account and routing numbers. You may be asked to provide additional documentation, such as a business license or tax ID number, to verify your business identity. Once your business profile is set up and your bank account is linked, you can start using Venmo to accept payments from customers. You can do this by creating a payment link or QR code that customers can use to send you money. You can also use Venmo to send invoices to customers and track payments. To get the most out of your Venmo business account, make sure to customize your business profile with a profile picture, cover photo, and business description. You can also use Venmo to offer discounts and promotions to customers, and to track your sales and revenue. It is also important to note that Venmo charges a small fee for each transaction, so you will need to factor this into your pricing and revenue calculations. Additionally, you will need to comply with Venmo's terms of service and payment processing rules, which can be found on the Venmo website. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Venmo account for business and start using it to accept payments and manage your sales and revenue. This can be a convenient and cost-effective way to get paid by customers, and can help you to grow and expand your business.